Hey guys, it's Joe from dadsguidetotwins.com. I want to introduce you to a new inline stroller that is an option for your twins. It's called the Thule Sleek, and it's pretty adjustable. There's lots of things you can adjust the handlebar, so maybe mom or dad are different heights. The canopy folds back for convenience around your child, and as your children grow, you can adapt the straps to their different heights to accommodate them. As they grow, they can lock up and down to get a nice fit for them, and the canopy also slides up and down to adjust for the height of the child. As you can see here, there are two seats on this. This, of course, is for a non-twin configuration, but the principle is the same. So you can get two bassinets, two seats for your twins, and keep them in line there. You can keep an eye on both of them pretty easy, and you can swap those out as your kids grow, so it's easy for them to continue to use a stroller even after they're past the infant phase and they're starting to sit up on their own and may need the sit-up seat and not the bassinet. So let's take a closer look here at some of the features of this inline stroller. You can see there's highly reflective paint on the wheels, so when you're out for a stroll in the twilight, people can easily spot you. It's got a suspension, so as you go over some rough terrain, it's pretty awesome. Plus, there's this push button here on the front, so if you want to make sure that the front wheels are not pivoting around, maybe you're on a hike and bike trail or something like that, you can lock that wheel in place and keep it going in a straight line. Otherwise, it can freely float around for easy maneuverability when you're in the store or on a walk, stuff like that. Now, I also notice underneath the stroller there's some great storage. You can see here the foot brake on red, but also this nice pouch underneath to store your diaper bag or a purse or other supplies for your twins. Again, this is the Thule Sleek. If you want to learn more about this stroller, go ahead and click the link in the description of this video. If you want other videos about gear that'll be helpful for your twins, go ahead and check out these other videos and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on preparing for, having, and raising your twins. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.